the unthinkable has happened. I've lost my camera. I just don't know where it is. I was taking it out to the park this morning, so I'm hoping it's in the car, but Stephen's got the car at the moment at work, so I'll have to check when he gets back. I just can't think where it is, because I forgot that when I got to the park. I was like, oh, I didn't bring my camera, thinking it would be at home, but it's not here. Please be in the car. Oh. Anyway, so I'm on my iPhone and filming this quite a bit later in the day, but just to say hello. Day 7, and yeah, we'll see what we get up to today. Have fun.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Well done. Big step. Oh, good. How many? 6. Yay!
Yay!
Where's Daddy? I'm going to get you. Oh.
Ah, you don't need help. You don't need help. Okay,
Middle. Oh, careful. Ready? Middle. Good.
Oh, good, stepping over.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Middle. You ready for a jump? You ready for a jump? You gonna jump onto Daddy? Holding on. 1, 2, 3.
We're having a big clear up day. Look, the piles are going down. This has all been sorted. We've put loads of toys away in there, so there's a lot less here. And that's some charity shop stuff. And this is going to the summer house. And yeah, we're getting there actually. It's feeling really good.
1, 4, 5. You turn, little one. 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's 7
What day?
today.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, are you not going to the...
Should we have a look then? We're about to 7. You find number 7. Oh, that's number 3. 2. Should we go around this way? You ready? 1, 2. You look at the numbers. Oh, have a look.
You got
Look,
so
look, look.
close.
Count with Daddy. You ready? Should we go around the bottom? Here we go. 1, 4. Here, B, look. What's this? 7. That's it. Open that one. Number 7. There it is. Is there one in there?
Oh.
Can you get it down? Or would you like some help? Help. I'll give you some help, Dan. Good asking. Oh, can Daddy get it out, or is he going to ask?
Oh dear.
All right, shall we read it? What does it say? Read it. Okay, I'll read it for you. Ooh. So now it is the 7th day, number 7. There's lots more animals coming your way.
Ooh.
This one is hiding with your riverbank friends, but it's not poop poop. It's snap, snap, snap. Oh, wow. Snap, snap, snap. It's hiding with your riverbank friends. That's Mole. Who else? Badger. Who else?
Toad,
good.
yes.
And rat. Rat. Wonderful. Where's Mole, Badger, Ratty, and Toad?
It's hard.
Should we go and see? Where are they?
You know where they are, don't you,
Where
clever
are
kitty?
they? Oh, are they up there? You want me to lift you up? We're looking for a snap, snap, snap. What's that? What animal does snap, snap, snap? A crocodile. Should we have a look? Can you see a crocodile?
Ooh.
Can you see one? Here we go. Who's this? Who's that? Who's this? And... Oh, but who's... Oh, do you want to get it?
Yay!
Yay!
There's
Go on,
day
then.
number 7, your own Snap Snap crocodile. Do you like it, Bee? Oh.
Snap, snap, snap.
So while I'm doing a bit of editing, while I'm uploading videos, I've been wearing this jumper all day and I absolutely love it. It's the Sunday sweater by Petite Knit that I made in gorgeous drops there. It's so fluffy and lovely, but I think I messed up because I saw an Instagram picture of someone that did half the collar length and didn't sew it over, and I preferred that. But actually, since I've been wearing it, the neck's really stretched out, so I'm going to unpick it and sew yeah, oh gosh, I'm tired, and knit the collar again. This time I'm going to make it double the length and a lot tighter so that I can fold it over and make a bit of a kind of turtleneck, because that's what I wanted, and I don't really know why I decided to go with something else. I was swayed by a beautiful picture. So yeah, I'm going to do that while I'm doing editing.
Just see the list.
So I might have knitted it a bit tight.
I just need to see the list.
I can't put it on. Wait, I'm trying to put my head on the...
Did you get Kirk?
Christ in the Last Supper.
There we go.
I'm gonna do it right too. Lots of
Yeah, I
research.
think I made it a bit
What's good
tight.
to read? Right. Don't wear my apostles. Throw my homeboy.
Oh
James,
dear.
obvious.